Hello, folks. All right, a couple of times everybody asks, they have a OB2 code. They try to clear it, but it always comes back. See what it says there? Permanent. If you have a permanent code, you cannot erase it with a scanner. Okay? Unless a dealer can erase it, but I don't think so. It's designed in the car, no matter what brand it is, that you need to fix the problem. Once you fix the problem, then you have to drive it around, almost like like when you have a check engine light and you have to get the car inspected. It's got to go through a bunch of cycles. It has to see that you went over 55, under 55. It shut off and on several times. You got some short trips, got some long trips. Sometimes it could take about a month for you to clear it. Okay, but it'll always be there in the background as a permanent. All right, just want to let you know that. The dealers put it in there so that nobody can just clear a code anymore. But yeah, if you got a permanent one, just fix whatever it is and it will go away. Ciao.